I want to thank you for this opportunity to talk about healthcare reform in America. This is a time of transition for the healthcare system in America. As we move toward universal coverage, when you couple that with the rise in chronic disease and the associated cost, it's become clear to everyone that prevention must be a priority. No matter what kind of coverage program you support, universal coverage program, it's clear that the costs are unsustainable as long as our system remains narrowly focused on treating the sick rather than keeping people well. So now is a unique opportunity for us to focus on prevention. And that's why workplace wellness programs are so important. They offer companies in the private sector a way to be a part of the solution. These programs offer companies a way to take a leadership role in the fight against chronic disease, to prioritize prevention, and to help them to control cost. Workplace wellness programs are the best way for companies to take a leadership role in this fight. And I'm glad that you've given me an opportunity to come and talk with you about these programs. Thank you.